Today's recipe: duck egg curry. In a mixer jar, add poppy seeds 4 tablespoons, peanut 10 to 15 pieces, medium-sized onion 1 piece, half-inch ginger cut into pieces, garlic 6 cloves. Add water 1 cup into it. Grind them. Make a smooth paste. Keep aside. Boiled duck eggs 4 pieces. Sprinkle some turmeric powder. Sprinkle some salt over the eggs. Keep aside. In a hot pan, add mustard oil 1 tablespoon. Add boiled duck eggs. Fry them for a minute. Keep it in a low flame. Transfer it into a plate or bowl. Keep them aside. Mustard oil 3 tablespoons. Bay leaf 1 piece. Medium-sized onion 1 piece. Fry them for a minute. Keep it in a medium flame. Medium-sized tomato 1 piece. Saute and cook for a minute. Salt as per taste. Fry till they turn mushy. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Fry until the raw smell evaporates. Add grinded paste into it. Mix them well. Let it start boiling. Add green chilies as preferred. Coriander leaves 2 to 3 stalks. Mix them well. Saute and cook for few minutes. Onion leaves or scallion half bunch. Mix them well. Pour enough water to make a thick gravy. Let it start boiling. Put the eggs into the gravy. Keep it in a low flame. Cook till the egg gravy thickens. Switch off the flame. Serve hot with rice or roti or paranthas. Also best with biryani or chapati or pulao. Thanks for watching Cook with Mahasana.